Have you ever felt like you have big dreams, but when it's time to take action, you just don't? You keep telling yourself, I'll start tomorrow, but tomorrow keeps running away from you. You want to write a book, get in shape, or finally learn that skill you've been talking about for years. But instead, you find yourself scrolling, watching TV, or just thinking about doing it without ever actually starting. Sound familiar? If so, don't worry. It's not because you're doomed to be lazy, it's because your brain is working against you. But the good news, you can flip the switch and turn things around faster than you think. If you've ever felt stuck between ambition and inaction, you're not alone. And in today's video, I'll show you exactly how to break free from this cycle with simple, science-backed strategies that actually work. No more waiting for motivation, no more feeling guilty for procrastinating, just real, practical ways to make progress starting today. So stick around and let's get into it. Have you ever felt like you have huge dreams, but just can't seem to gather the energy to chase them? You tell yourself, I'll start tomorrow, but tomorrow never comes. You imagine yourself writing a book, getting in shape, or mastering a new skill. But instead, you find yourself scrolling on your phone, watching another episode, or simply doing nothing. Why does this happen? It's not because you're permanently lazy, it's because your brain sees the task as too overwhelming. And when something feels too big, too difficult, or too exhausting, your mind naturally looks for something easier. But here's the good news. This isn't a personality flaw. Laziness isn't who you are, it's simply a habit, and habits can be changed. Think about all the times you felt stuck, not because you didn't care, but because the goal seemed impossible. You want to save money, but the idea of giving up every little pleasure feels miserable. You want to start working out, but the thought of daily intense exercise makes you exhausted before you even begin. This happens because your brain is wired for survival. It avoids discomfort and seeks what feels good. But the trick is, you can work with your brain instead of against it. So how do you stop feeling stuck and actually start making progress? Here are 3 simple but powerful strategies that can help you break free from this cycle and start moving toward your goals. First, make things ridiculously small. One of the biggest reasons people struggle to take action is because they set their sights too high right from the start. If your goal is to write a book, don't think about completing 200 pages. Just commit to writing 1 sentence today. If you want to learn a new skill, don't force yourself to master it overnight. Just practice for a minute or 2. Small steps feel manageable, and every little win builds momentum. It's like climbing a mountain. You don't leap to the top in one jump, you take it step by step. The truth is, nobody starts at the top. The people you admire, the ones who seem so productive and successful, they struggled too. The difference is, they kept going. You don't need to be perfect, you just need to start. Think of your dreams like a tiny flame. Right now, it's just a spark. Every small action you take is like adding fuel to that fire. Keep adding fuel, and soon, you'll have something powerful burning. So ask yourself, what's one small thing you can do today to move forward? And remember, failure is not the opposite of success. It's part of the journey. Every mistake, every setback is just a step toward learning and improving. The only real failure is giving up. Let's keep it simple. If you're ambitious but often feel stuck, here's what you can do. Make your goals small and manageable. Set up routines so you don't have to rely on motivation. Start with just 2 minutes of effort. That's it. No magic, no waiting for motivation. Just small steps that lead to big results. Remember, success isn't about being perfect. It's about being consistent. Even the tiniest efforts, when repeated over time, create massive change. but nothing happens if you don't take action. So what's one small step you can take today? Don't just think about it. Do it. Your future self is waiting for you. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe for more videos like this. And if you're ready to stop overthinking and start achieving, hit that like button and let me know in the comments what's the one goal you're going to start working on today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.